Talk about Jet Airways and the whole conversation or the confusion going around the revival of and the automatic revival of the slots and rights which were with Jet Airways before the airline really came on ground and stopped flying. Now, what the Kalorok Jalan committee has asked the court and NCLT Mumbai is an automatic revival of all the slots which they had, and they say that this is a part of the insolvency proceedings. But what Ministry of Civil Aviation now is saying that the committee or Jet Airways will have to go ahead and file for the slots again, and according to the rules and regulations only, they will be given these rights and not on the basis of any historical precedents or historical rights they were holding. Now, to support their arguments, what they have said is, now let me start with one part of it, where they say that there has been a director level officer which has been designated to coordinate for the amicable resolution of slots allocation, and slot allocation can be done as per slot allocation guidelines, and also that the slots are not the assets of any airline, and the corporate debtor had no slots on the date of imposition of moratorium, so no direction may be please issued in respect of the prayers made by RA. Also, they go ahead in the initial part of their submission of the affidavit. They say that it is a matter of record that the slots and bilateral rights are not assets of the airline and accordingly cannot be assets of the corporate debtor and can't be a part of the insolvency proceedings. Now, they said that respondents have submitted their affidavit to support the resolution plan except for the request for automatic revival of the approvals, and same would be given as per the existing guidelines and regulations. Now, there's one more interesting part where they have gone ahead and said that when the Jet Airways applies for slots, then the slots will be allocated among all the airlines without any claim of historicity in favor of any airline over these slots, and such allocation of slots will be as per the slot allocation guidelines 2013. They say that the SOP in no manner indicate or assure or guarantee or reserve protection of the said slots to Jet Airways. That's why, hence, the presumption of corporate debtor are only misplaced. Now, in all of these conversations, the bigger problem is for Jet Airways, because if you look at the most valuable thing for Jet Airways at this point of time is the slots and the rights which they have. They have slots and rights to international operations, to Amsterdam, to London, and in India, in Mumbai and Delhi as well. In fact, if you go in the letter, it's been said that there has been meetings which have been done by the Jet Airways management with Airport Authority of India and Ministry of Civil Aviation officers. It's only Delhi and Mumbai who have told them they might not be able to renew their slots, and what MOC is saying is that they will go ahead and resolve the same as well, but they cannot guarantee automatic revival of slots. The affidavit has been filed. Within a couple of days there will be hearings again, where the corporate debtor and the Kalorok Jalan committee will be also presenting its case. We'll have to really wait and watch how it goes, but it will impact the whole revival plan of Jet Airways, because, as I said, the most important thing there was the slots. Apart from that, there's a lot of unpaid employees and a few planes which we really don't know are in working condition or not.